Stop scrolling. I don't know who needs to hear this message, but if by any chance you came across this video, then this urgent message definitely belongs to you. This is what you need to hear right now at this very moment. Save this video so you don't miss out, because this urgent message is directly coming from your guides. Alright, so I'm hearing that something magical is about to happen in your life. Something you have been waiting for so long is about to happen now. The time has finally come for you to experience the abundance you deserve. For a long period of time, you kept on thinking that you don't belong, you don't fit in, you don't deserve to be loved. You kept on chasing people, but now it's your time to take a leap of faith, take your power back. You always kept on thinking that the person you're with right now is not the right one for you. You might deserve someone else, or just because of few disagreements and fights that happened between you and your person made you think a certain way. But your guides are assuring you that just wait. Things are about to happen. Things are coming together as a whole, and you will get to know if this person is actually the one for you or not. Things were quite upside down for them as well. They really wanted to come forward and confess what they have been through, but they thought that it's not the right time for them to confess their feelings and let you know about their situations. But I see that you're really impatient. You just can't wait. You just want them to approach you, and you want to know every single thing that's happening in their life. I know this person is gatekeeping their life from you. They're not telling you what they are going through, and you worry about them, right? Even this person also knows how much love and care you have for them, and they feel the same for you. Your guides are telling me that this connection is more than just love. You two are meant to be with each other. No matter how things look at this point of time, this connection is going to work out. Expect an intense message or call from this person, because they have these deep feelings for you and they wanted to confess it, okay? It's just a matter of time. You guys will be together again, and you'll get back to me and thanks me for this beautiful reading. Claim this beautiful message. Let your guides know that you have claimed it with all your heart. Type "I am ready" and "thank you" in the comment section. Let your guides know that their message have reached you. Also, if you would like to book a private session with me, tap link in bio stand.store/special piece tarot. We have love reading, love rituals, love healing. We have all the things you need to make your love life even perfect. Thank you and have a beautiful day.